My mom is Mania Mom. She can do many things. And she surprised me with this 14-day jean pocket custom-made artwork for Valentines, where each day I open a special note that has her words of encouragement to cheer me on and pearls of wisdom. And I just love it, and I look forward to looking at each day and what the note has to say. And she took small jean pockets and then put lettering on it using beads and special glue, and then created these hand-cut notes. And then she placed them on this red heart that she covered with fabric. And I love it so much. Thank you so much, Mom. You are so awesome. I love the Christmas one, the 25 days of Christmas with the jean pockets, and then you did a Valentine's one. This is just awesome. Thank you, Mom. I love you, Mom. Thank you so much.